In the name of Allah, the gracious and the merciful. Noreen Nawaz welcomes you to her video lecture on Louis Pasteur. And dear learners, this is the fifth and the last part of this lesson. In part 4, we came to know that Pasteur discovered the different germs associated with different diseases, and he also made vaccines. So, in this way, he proved himself in the field of science and revolutionized medicine. In this video lecture, I'll tell you how did he motivate the other scientists and eliminate the superstitions of the past people who believed that diseases were because of supernatural elements. So in today's lecture, you will get the synonyms of all the difficult words and important points of paragraphs. So now let's start. And today we have to start from paragraph number 22. And here are the synonyms of all the difficult words of paragraph number 22. But though this was the last of Pasteur's great discoveries, the results were by no means confined to the cure of hydrophobia. This confined, you can see the last word on the screen, confined means limited. For the fame means popularity of his success, stirred up other scientists to try similar methods of cure for other diseases. Stirred up means motivated, and in the 10 years between 1880 and 1890, they discovered the germs of consumption. Consumption is severe pulmonary tuberculosis, diphtheria. Diphtheria is a throat disease, typhoid, lockjaw. Lockjaw is tetanus, cholera, and Malta fever. In 1893, the antitoxin means antibody, and serum, which cures diphtheria, was discovered, and also the protective treatment for cholera. It means that the serums for diphtheria and cholera were discovered, and before the discovery of antitoxin, 30.4% of diphtheria patients died because of this throat disease. 30.4% people were died. Now 8.3 died. In 1894 to 95, the germs of plague. This plague is a disease which is caused by the rats, and of the CC fly disease in animals were found. In 1896-97, the protective inoculation means injections, treatments for typhoid and plague were discovered, with the result that in Great War, there was extraordinary little typhoid in our army compared with the amount of the disease which had occurred in earlier campaigns. Campaigns are the battles or wars, such as the Boer War. You know that Boers were the South Africans, and they were indulged in war with British. And here, dear learners, I would like to tell you that in the First World War, around about 7 million people died because no treatment was there for the cure of infected wounds. In India during 1913, 93% of the British garrison means British stationed army, were inoculated, and deaths from typhoid fell from usual 300 to 600 to only 20. So all these discoveries were made by the scientists who got motivated by Pasteur's work. In 1898 to 1900, it was proved that malaria and yellow fever were conveyed. Conveyed means caused by mosquitoes. Now, malaria each year kills millions of men and weakens millions more. It was rampant. Rampant means uncontrolled in England under the name of ague. Ague, it means that the previous name of malaria was ague. Till comparatively recently, it was banished by draining the malaria districts. Comparatively, you can see evenly, and banished means dismissed. So it was found that by draining the malarial districts, this disease can be cured. Now that we know the cause of the disease, we can fight it in two ways: by destroying the breeding places of the mosquito and by protecting man from the bite of the mosquito. Thus, every puddle of standing water, puddle is a pond, right? And every pond, etc., should be drained or oiled. So how can we keep ourselves away from malaria? By draining all the ponds and puddles and oiling them, and all cisterns are tanks for storing water, and wells should be kept close in malarial district. For the mosquito lays its eggs in water. Windows and doors must have wire gauze shutters. You can see what are these wire gauze. Wire gauze is a very fine uh, wire mesh, and shutters are the covers. It means that windows and doors should be properly covered, and all the ponds and puddles and tanks for storing water should be covered too. Beds must be protected by mosquito nets. Finally, quinine is invaluable. Quinine is a medicine which was discovered for killing the mosquitoes, which were the reason of malaria, and invaluable, you can see priceless as a preventative. Preventative means cure, and prevention and cure. It was this knowledge that enabled the Americans to construct the Panama Canal after the French had failed hopelessly with enormous loss of life and money. Enormous means huge, owing to the ravages of malaria and yellow fever. Owing to means because, and ravages are the harms. Now, here I would like to tell you something about this Panama Canal. Actually, French and Americans were having a trade, and the route was tropical. And as you all know, that in tropical areas, the possibility of malaria is great. And in those days, traders died in a large number, and France failed to control this thing. So, to shorten the route, Americans made Panama Canal, and discovery of quinine also contributed a lot in reducing the death rate. So now here are the important points of these three paragraphs. Number one is Pasteur's work motivated other scientists. Germs of many diseases were found within 10 years. Antitoxins means antibodies or serums were found for diphtheria, plague, and CC fly disease. In 1898 to 1900, it got discovered that malaria and yellow fever were caused by mosquitoes, which killed millions of people. And precautionary measures were done by draining or oiling. It means to keep away from malaria, covering the windows and doors by wire gauze shutters, and Panama Canal was constructed. Let's do paragraph number 25, 26, 27, and 28. And here are the synonyms of these paragraphs. In 1903 to 1905, Bruce showed that sleeping sickness, which devastates means destroys, Central Africa was conveyed, means caused by a species of CC fly. It means it got discovered that sleeping sickness was caused by tsetse fly. In 1905 in Uganda, it caused 8,003 deaths, and in 1910, the number was reduced to 1546. It means the number was greatly minimized. And then it is impossible even to catalog the list of the medical discoveries which have sprung from Pasteur's work, and especially since the Great World War, which forced us to deal with many hitherto little known diseases. Hitherto means until now, and conditions, and so to greatly increase our knowledge of them. For example, at the beginning of war, Tetanus was tremendously common. Tremendously means extremely common amongst our wounded because the soil of Belgium and northern France is full of the germs of this disease. Hence arose the custom of giving every wounded man a dose of anti-tetanus serum, which reduced the number of cases of tetanus to a tiny proportion. Tiny means small. It means by giving just one or two injections, the diseased persons, the ill persons got treated. As an expression of words, gratitude. This gratitude is gratefulness. You can see the Pasteur Institute was built in Paris with subscriptions. Subscriptions are the donations and the charities which came from all parts of the world. It means that the whole world contributed for Pasteur's Institute. It was opened in 1888 and was the joy of Pasteur's few remaining years. It means that this institute, Pasteur's Institute, was built in his own life and not after his death. It had been well said, very important paragraph. Now we are going to do where he reduced the supernatural beliefs of the people. It had been well said that Pasteur brought the facts of disease and death from the realm of the supernatural and miraculous into the realm of natural. You can see this realm is word. Supernatural is heavenly, miraculous is inexplicable into the realm of natural. He brought the people from the word of supernatural to the word of reality. Disease and death were the great mysteries. Before Pastor's discoveries, disease and death were great secrets where the occult held sway. Occult means magic and held sway means rule. It means that at that time magic ruled away. The malign is bad, and the uh, the malign and mysterious influence of the moon caused lunacy. Lunacy is madness. There was the evil eye with its morbific powers. You can see morbific is infected in fever and in epilepsy. Epilepsy is spasms. The body was possessed by demons. It was thought that if you are having epilepsy, then you are under the control of the demons and the spirits and the ghosts and the witches. And tuberculosis was the king's evil. It means that when the king is angry with you, that you will get tuberculosis to be cured by the sovereign touch. Sovereign means royal. It means, and you will be treated if the king will touch you. Far more than all other men, Pasteur abolished forever these superstitions. Superstitions are the false beliefs. Pasteur's discoveries abolished, eliminated, finished all these false notions and false beliefs. Pasteur died in 1895 at the age of 73 and was buried in the institute. So here is the end of our Louis Pasteur, and here are the important points of paragraph 25 to 28. Cause of sleeping sickness was found by the other scientists as Pasteur's work motivated them. And what was the cause of sleeping sickness? Tsetse fly is the cause of sleeping sickness, and serum for tetanus was found, and then Pasteur Institution was built in Paris. Because of Pasteur, superstitions were overcome as well. Pasteur abolished the notion that diseases were caused by supernatural elements by discovering treatments and vaccines of different diseases, and Pasteur died in 1895. So, dear learners, here is the end of today's lecture. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel English with Noreen Nawaz.